Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Sorry, just been coughing again. I'm in Australia. I finished this. This is a journal that I've been working on in the second series, and I've finished it because I've decided that I've finished it, it's done. Okay. Now, I don't know when I'm going to put it up in my Etsy. If I do, I don't know. Not at the moment, I don't think. I've got other stuff I've got to be doing, so we'll just leave it for a while till I get some more things to put up. So this is made of paper and fabric, and lots of paper. It is 5.5 inches by 7.5. There's furnishing fabric underneath there and the burlap on the side here. Sorry about this. Like I said, I've just been choking. I've got lace around the edges. I put a little bit of extra wide one here because all these pieces are, they got really big. And then I've got a piece of crochet doily there, another piece of crochet doily, and a nice piece of bling there. There's little pearly bits all over it. Some little blue and some little pieces just to, make it look what I want it to be. And it closes together with this piece of ribbon here. This is just a piece of satin ribbon, yeah. Okay, and the back's just plain with the furnishing stuff on it, and the burlap comes around the side. That's to reinforce the spine of it a bit because it is a little bit well, I wouldn't say flimsy, but it's, because of what it's made out of. I have got in the first front of it here, I have put a pocket on there, and I thought that was a pocket, but maybe it's not anymore. I think I better close this then, because I was going to actually make that a pocket, didn't I do that? Oh, I didn't either. Look, I've stuck that thing on top of it. Well, we can't have that then, can we? I stuck that on top of there. Yeah, I did. Well, there's a pocket there, and here's a tag that I made from my Franken paper. Yeah, that was going to be a pocket on the front. Never mind. Got carried away, I guess, and put this here on it. Let me see what's going on here. Things get twisted and turned up, don't they? And this one here, now this is not perfect. This is tatty, but this is what it's supposed to be like, because it's a junk journal. It is not a amazing piece of art, whatever. So this is just opens like that, and I've very badly cut around here, very badly. So I will just go around here very carefully for you to see what it's going to look like when it's done properly, because it was going all right until the front part of the cover decided to squeeze this in, and it was making it all bent over and dinty. So you don't know how things are going to go until you really got it. The book, I won't be able to see what I'm doing now because I've got my arm in the way. Sorry about that. But you're not going to be able to see how things go until you really got have had looking at it for a while, you see. It happens all the time with everything you do, really. I like to have a look and see what's happening, and I forgot to put the pin back on here, because I might not do that, because when the pin was in the end of it, that kept getting caught. Now, I will fix this up definitely a lot better than what it is now, because I want to put this up on Facebook maybe. I'm going to fix it now because people are going to see it, aren't you? You're looking at it now, aren't you? Come on. Plain nice. This is not right. It's just not right at all here. Like I said, I didn't want it to be exactly, but I can't help fiddling with it, can I? Just can't help myself. Righto. So that's just made with a bit of a hinge off the paper like so, and that. I cannot tear around there now, it's too hard, otherwise I would have did that and had it torn. It's got a bit of wife's name on the back there, stenciling. So that's that page. So then we've got this one here, and there's a nice dragonfly tucked there, and there's a piece tucked in that I made another tag. This one here's got the belly band thing going across there like so, and a little bit in the centre. This is not going to take me very long, I don't think, because actually it says now I've only got 19 seconds, yes, but that's... So this one is a pocket, oh good. And this one here, I've got a little booklet in there. So whether I'll put something in there or not, I don't know, because, you know, people might want to do that themselves. So here's another, this is a pocket on the envelope thing. I'll turn that off now. And I can just let it go again, and then I'll know how long I've been doing this for when I look at it when I'm finished. Okay, so this one here was made on a piece of dress pattern paper, and it was very, very thin, so I decided I'd stick that page to it, so I did. Okay, and there's a place in there for you to journal on, all right, in that bit. And then there's one of these tags that I really like to make in there with the stamps. And then there's just that one, there's journaling space there. And then we have this page here. It looks a bit dark, but, you know, the coffee paper, but that's okay. It's all different. It's all different, because we couldn't have it all matching. It wasn't working for me. There's lots of things that I wanted to put in here. I really love that picture, and the cat. I'll put that in. And then I've got this, here's a mouse here. I've got a little, one of these little pockets that I did. And it's just got a... Did I do that? Probably, I don't know. I might have bought that, but then I did the pocket inside. Nice piece of lace down there with ribbon. There's a tuck spot there. Might throw something down in there. I get to it. I should probably do that. Put something in. This bird thing is nice, isn't it? Too big. I will get something in there before I send it out. Okay, so now that we've got this down one here that I put in. Made that. We did. Not hard at all. I think I showed you, I don't know. And I've got this one here, and I've got that tucked in there, and it's caught because the book's on it. Stopping it from falling out anyway. Righto. And I've got the dragonfly up on the top there. Isn't that cool? I love that one. So that goes back in there, and you've got journaling space on that. This is today. And this one here is, oh dear. This is a tough old piece of stuff. This is paperclip. So this is a dear little booklet I made. Do love the booklet. Dear little thing. Okay, so it'll turn the page here in a minute, any minute now. Come on, Sonia. Have I got them stuck together though? Because sometimes I do that purposely. Did I do it purposely? I could have done. Might have something written on it. Don't know. Don't fall apart just in case. Okay, yeah. There's a little duck on that one. I think I stuck that together. I think there was things on there that I thought I didn't want to lose my... I didn't want to lose the little booklet. I wanted to keep the little booklet. So that goes on there with this really stiff paper clip. I don't know why that's like that. It's not going to go anywhere, that's for sure. It's going to hold it on forever. Then we've got this piece of nice bit of lace there. My book, my door, it's got hope written in the inside. I made these little embellishment things to go on there, and I've put some burlap on that, and one of those little roundy things. There's lots of paper in it. There's a book in there, a little booklet that I made. And that bit. This page here's got a pocket in it, and there's a real lot of journaling space on this. You can write a book on that. There's a lot of space on that one. That's a really old Valentine Sands card that was printed in Australia. I don't remember if somebody sent me that or I found it somewhere. I don't know. But I got these bags. So I like the bag. The lady I left by herself, so you could do something with her. This is the middle page. in the middle page. I love the middle page. I got all these pretty things here. I've got one of these little tucky things here. I do like all the pages, really, when you're doing them. They're all good fun, aren't they? And that little booklet, and it can go in here, but you can put other stuff in here as well because it's pretty big. That bag's got a lot of space in there. I put my little sample pieces here, and you can just lift them up and write things underneath. Another booklet. I didn't realise I had this many in here. And this here opens up, and you can put something in there as well. Okay, so that's a place to tuck things. There's another place to write stuff. So it has got a lot of writing space. A bit of washi tape and a bit of stuff there. Love that page too. No, so this opens up, and you can work in there to write something. It's got patches on it. Anywhere there's a patch, that was because it needed a patch. Another patch up there. This is a hidden pocket, and I've actually put this little fella on here with the teapot so he can slide along, and you can get out whatever's in there. And I haven't really got anything particular in there, only that piece of card there. But you can put little notes or things in there. Hide your $50 as something in there, you know. And you just pull that across there like so. Come on, it's going to work. There you go. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, so then there's this page, and my attempt at making one of those. It made its way in here. That I got it something. Empty space if you want to write down something. There's this one here that flips out, and there's a lot of journaling space in here. I didn't realise I'd. Even though I've covered most of the pages, look, I left a couple of free ones. Look at that. Look at that. There's somewhere to write. And then I have this nice file folder card thingy. And this piece of pattern paper. Another place to write. Now I was making this. I don't know if I finished showing you the end part of this, but this is a little piece I was making with the little fairies on it. And then you can write in them bits there. It opens that way and that way, okay? So that's really pretty, isn't it? Can you see that? Oh dear, I don't think you can see it. And here is a envelope. I fastened it in. I wasn't going to. And then I thought, oh no, I'd probably take off for that. Now you'll notice at the back I've left more space than what I've... Come on, get off there. Bits and pieces everywhere. I've left more space, and there's another little another little... thing, and there's a dragonfly, and then there's a pocket under here. You put stuff in there, see? Pretty cool, hey? Now there's probably not as much work done in the back part, but then I've got a lot of stuff in there, so you can do your own bits of work in the back part of it. Okay, so that's it. I've done it. And I'm really pleased that I finished it, because I was going to nearly throw it in the garbage bin. I did have a little bit of upset through making it, but it's done now, okay? It's made, and I don't know whether I'll put it into my Etsy yet or not. I'll think about it. I'm going to do some other things shortly, but I'll just go now, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a video and show you some of my bits that I bought. Okay? All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.